Dust on my boots, sun on my neck. Easy breath, easy step, just a ribbon of sand in scrub. Little stone skip off the tread, off my thoughts. Birds arguing in crooked trees. Every problem feels small out here. Then the trail just ends at a sandstone wall. All that gentle golden morning pulled tight, about to snap and fall. I knock a wheel, engine starts to howl. The sunny walk turns to war against this angry leaning tower of rock right now. Tracing lines only I can see. Tires kiss the ledge like it might bite back. Calm voice in my head goes thin as the hood points straight at the sky. 'Cause the trail just ends at a sandstone wall. All that lazy humming daylight twists hard. Claws for a grip. Straight up, now it's just me and this cliff and this climb and this climb. Sandstone wall. Every soft and simple moment shows its teeth and dares me not to stop. Dark like a storm, breath like a draw. I drag this rig, drag my fear up that rough cut sunlit sandstone wall. Hey. Like grace, front end dials, whole frame shakes. Snap, metal screams, rig leans left. You just laugh, spit in the dust.